Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to this electronic channel. This is Uncle Misha, and today we have yet another Dollarstore Miracle 1 meter of motion activated LED light strip. Yeah. So this time it comes with little pure sensory thingy with some buttony bitonies here. Does look like a lot of LEDs, but I'm pretty sure this is more than a 1 meter, because 1 meter is gonna be 100 LEDs judging by the distance, but it's gonna measure it. What information do we have here? Self-sticking adhesive, that's good. Ultra bright white LED, white LEDs. Oh, it comes with a battery pack, so this required battery is not included, but it says USB. What? Okay. Can be used for whatever. Says nothing about number of LEDs, says nothing about color temperature of those LEDs. Obviously says nothing about CRI, which probably gonna be doesn't even matter in this case. But let's see what do we have. Aha! Interesting. We have this, we have that, and we have this. Whoa! And we have, what do we have? Micro USB. Yeah, that's yeah, a lot of LEDs, I must say. Okay, some user manual because it's important. Whatever. Okay, now where to start. So we have a controller of sort. In, out. What? Okay, yeah, there is a schematic here. I have to definitely take a look at that. Ah, I see. So this is gonna be connected to here. M&S accessory network 10 watt New York model. That's serious business. And this is gonna be connected to here and gonna be connected either here or it's gonna be connected like this. And this, oh my god, it's so stiff. And this device will be connected to the our source. So let's first of all take a look. What the heck are these panels? How good are they? Well, not panels, but LEDs. Okay, so current limiting oh, it's very actually flexible. I like this. This is good. It feels like silicone and not like stiff. Useless. Alright. That's very like silicone rubbery. Like I kind of like the fact it's so flexible. I hope it's gonna be as good of a glue. It says 3M, my ass. Do you believe them? I don't know. So we have 1 meter roughly. 1 meter of LEDs here, okay? So I'm gonna just drop them like this. So this is 1 meter of LEDs. What do we have here is kind of controls. Controls are there's 4 different modes on off. There is no indication of any kind, so we have no idea what this thing's supposed to be doing. Okay, well, here, oh, it is an indication. Duh. So I guess this is how when it's gonna be shut off. 20 seconds, 30 seconds, 120 seconds, 20, 60, 120, and auto, on, off. I'm curious if this light panel can be just shoved straight into the power source. Let's just do it and see what's gonna happen. All right. Yeah, that's a bit better. It consumed 5 volt, 840 milliamps. So yeah, this is, I'd say it's much brighter than I thought it is. Thought it's gonna be dinky again, but again, yeah. So it looks like each LED has own current limiting resistor, 5 volt. It's relatively bright. That's a bit better. It can be used for something useful. Not this. So let's do the motion sensor thingy. Just power it here. Power motion sensor wire. USB-C. Sorry, I'm dreaming about USB-C. Let's plug it in and would on. Auto. I don't know what that's supposed to mean. What just happened? 20 seconds should go off for gas. Okay, in the meantime, we can take a look at this battery pack. Oh yeah, it did went off. I don't think it has any smart logic except on-off button, right? Okay, let's take a look what the heck is going on in there. Yeah, of course. So here is just on-off button, 3 batteries straight into USB. So if you have 4 1.5 volt AA's, it's gonna be 4.5 volt right here. If you're gonna have 3 AA's rechargeable, we're gonna have 3.6 volt here. So for a second I thought this can be used as an improvised power bank for the cell phone, but I'm not sure if cell phone's gonna be liking 3.5 volt. Yeah, 3.6 volt or 4.5 volt. Anyways, just something interesting to take a look here. This is gonna be probably good power source for some kind of electronic project. Sometimes you can just pay a few dollars just for this kind of contraption, but here we are, can have it for free, cannot use USB or just connect straight to it. So this, yeah, this contraption, I don't know, as a bonus probably for something else, definitely. This dinky thing is actually doesn't react on me, so it has to be peer sensor, but this peer sensor doesn't do a peer. Let me yeah, very unreliable peer sensor. I don't know how it's supposed to be working. Hello, peer sensor. Hey, whatever. It's okay, we understand what's going on with those LEDs. It's okay, we understand what's going on with everything else, but now it's time to see what's inside here. And for this we have to cut this, I think. Oh yeah, just clips. Few clips, we're gonna unclip them. Yep, here we are. Very simplistic. KF 1101, revision from 2019. I don't know what is this. G. This looks like, I don't think it's LED. It's some sort of, yeah. Looks like our whatever it is controller here is completely not marked. I'm gonna just rub it in and hope it's gonna reveal some numbers. No. Not marked at all, like nothing here. Okay, so we don't know. We have two transistors. Yeah. Pure sensor. Curious what kind of pure sensor is this? Oh my god, like it's not marked as well. Stupid. Well, 3 pins, but yeah, it's like super cheesy construction here. This USB, by the way, crooked, like super crooked. That's why I was getting in so badly. Plus, it's also just only power. It does not deliver any data. This, on the other hand, at least has all pins soldered. Look at these vias. I'm curious what kind of energies they are planning to send here. So yeah, those are vias. Vias are pretty massive. I think this is LED. It's potentially an ambient light sensor, which actually like a photoresistor is photodiode highly likely, just to, you know, if there is ambient light, it just turns on and off. Yeah, there is some kind of logic behind it. That's pretty much it. Yeah, well, very simplistic. But what else you expect? Especially this one, absolutely no named. Yeah, made from fine Chinesium. Well, it is what it is. Let's put it back in there. Yeah, it's just all held on clips, nothing else here. That's it. How much it consumes? Almost nothing. Like nothing. Not almost nothing, it's nothing. Those switches are super stiff. Interesting. I guess those wires have quite a bit of resistance because now it consumes 670 milliamps instead of 840 if I connect this directly to the outlet, to the USB power right here. Yeah, so I don't know. The light panel, the strip is actually not too bad, but this is super gimmicky. It's just, I don't think it's working properly. Yeah, super gimmicky stuff. I'm not sure if it's worth buying, but just telling you, you know, if you're gonna see something like that in dollar store and you've seen my video or something, you can just make your own decision if you need this or not. This, I believe, super gimmicky. This, on the other hand, can be used for some kind of project, but obviously it's not worth buying it just for that. Yeah, but probably this is garbage. Those two maybe two most useful things out of this contraption, and the crappiest ever USB micro USB cables, probably you can just throw them away. And if you need something, just cut this. The problem is that those wires, they have own internal resistance, so they're gonna, you know, drop some power here. So instead of, you know, putting energy into LEDs, you're gonna be dropping it in those thin wires. So yeah, keep that in mind. But those seems to be okay. yeah, those seems to be okay. Not sure how long they're gonna last, but so far they seems to be, not sure if they are 100% waterproof, but judging by the way they are completely enclosed in the resin, it should be good, should be good enough. So yeah, this is, where is the box? Motion activated LED light strip from Dollar Store. Do not buy, essentially. Yeah, but if you really need in a pinch of kind of LED strip light for your project, obviously you can cut this right here and attach it to your own you know, power source. Yeah, you can use it. The only thing is you have to be 5 volt, right? Because those current limiting resistors here calculated to be working with 5 volt. If you want to use, you know, some other voltage, you have to supply your own regulated current here, which is going to be double regulated by this resistor, but you can take it in account if you really want. So yeah, so here we are. This is what we have. That's gonna be it for now. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Tell me your experience with this sort of cheapo LED strips.